Top of the good morning to you, everybody. I don't know why I keep singing that bit, but I do. Alrighty, I've been following this amazing Instagram page called Mirrormirror.love, and they're just amazing. Their consistent communication with you on their page is amazing. They just put up the most beautiful makeup and colours. They love colours. Anyway, they generally put up a colour and go, you know what, send us a picture of yourself and then tag them in it. So this time, instead of watching and cheering along from the sidelines, I'm going to join in, and the colour is this beautiful yellow. But I just thought I'd film a little bit of it, which you can all join along with. And yeah, I can't wait to see what it's going to end up like myself, because I honestly have no idea where it's going. So hold on for the ride. If you want to see more, you know what to do. Hey peeps. Alright, so I have my base, contour, bronzer, blush, eyebrows done. So now I'm going to play around with the eyeshadow. And I didn't realise I had so many yellows. So I've got my good old nudie patootie. So I think I'm going to come in with Strip over here as my first colour. And I've got a couple of others which I'm not sure how I'm going to use them yet, but I've got Lemonade Craze from the Maybelline palette. So that's a gorgeous looking yellow over there. I have my KKW So Fire palette and this beautiful gold colour here. I just love it. And then out of my new palette, my recent one, my Abu Dhabi, I have two really beautiful yellows in there. One's called Musky and one's called Enchanted. So not too sure which of those yellows I'm about to use, but let's get into the video. I think we're going to come in with Strip first. This is fun. I've actually never done one of these little things before, so it's going to come all over and above the crease line with this Strip colour. And I should be using this mirror here so you guys can actually see. Alrighty, come out quite nice. So now come over to my Clara Cosmetics Abu Dhabi palette, and I'm just going to come in with Musky. Coming into that inner third and just up into the crease. It's highly pigmented, guys. It's really pretty. So I'm just going to come in on my outer, just the tiniest bit on the outer corner, tap it off with Smoky, still on the Abu Dhabi palette. Very soft, beautiful colours, guys, and you can build it up to whatever, you know, intensity that you'd like. I'm going to come in now with that Lemonade Craze on the underline of my eye. Only about 3/4 of the way across, because I'm going to bring some white into it to help it pop a little bit. So I'm just going to come in with the top one here called Skyscraper out of the Abu Dhabi palette. Just come into my inner corner. I'm going to come in with my white liner. makes a huge difference. Okay, so I'm just going to come in with my finger initially with this gold down the bottom here. Oh, look at that. Pretty much matches my lay that I have on my head. All right. Wicked. So just finished off with my ever legendary glazed lip kit by Laura Lee. Just finishing that off now. I'm going to apply some mascara, only a little bit, and some lashes, and I'll be right back with my finished look. I'll see you then. All right, guys. My finished look for today. You can see the beautiful sunflower there behind me, so yellow everywhere. Just going to finish this off with this nude to colour 565 from Maybelline called Almond Rose, just to keep it simple. To top that off, I did have my Jeffree Star here in the colour Slurp, but it has this gold speckles all through it, so I love it. Slurp, I think that's hilarious. Just to give it a slight ombre look. Thank you as always for tuning in. These are absolute legends. Take care of you, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye bye. Mwah.